Do you often feel a nagging sense that you should be eating more greens, but rarely get around to it? What if the vibrant, leafy vegetables you sometimes push to the side of your plate hold the profound secret to unlocking truly transformative health, from your brain to your bones? In a world obsessed with superfoods and exotic supplements, the humble green vegetable often gets overlooked. Yet, cutting-edge science consistently reveals that these chlorophyll-rich powerhouses are not just good for you. They're absolutely fundamental for preventing disease, boosting energy, sharpening your mind, and extending your healthy lifespan. We're about to dive deep into the astonishing, scientifically backed benefits of green vegetables, unveiling why they are non-negotiable for anyone seeking optimal well-being. Prepare to discover how consistently adding these vibrant foods to your diet can revolutionize your energy, immunity, digestion, and even your mood. The payoff? A body that feels energized and resilient, a mind that's sharp and clear, and a profound sense of vitality that empowers you to thrive. The Emerald Elixir. Unlocking the transformative power of green vegetables. The common advice to eat your greens has been uttered for generations, often dismissed as a tiresome parental decree. However, beneath that simple admonition lies a profound scientific truth. Green vegetables are not merely healthy, they are nutritional marvels, densely packed with an unparalleled array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and potent phytochemicals that orchestrate optimal bodily function and vigorously defend against disease. Neglecting them is arguably one of the biggest dietary mistakes one can make. The intelligent twist here is that their power isn't in a single, magic compound, but in the synergistic dance of hundreds of beneficial elements working together. Let's dissect the extraordinary benefits that flow from consistently integrating green vegetables into your diet, exploring why they are the bedrock of true health. 1. The ultimate antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouses. At the forefront of green vegetables' benefits is their exceptional capacity to combat oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between harmful free radicals, byproducts of metabolism and environmental exposure, and antioxidants in your body, leading to cellular damage. Chronic inflammation, as discussed previously, is a silent, pervasive force linked to virtually every major chronic disease, including heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and cancer. Green vegetables are overflowing with antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, carotenoids, like lutein and zeaxanthin, and a diverse range of polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds act like cellular bodyguards, neutralizing free radicals and dampening inflammatory pathways. Think of them as tiny firefighters, continually extinguishing internal fires. The payoff? Reduced risk of chronic diseases, a stronger immune system, and a body that feels less pain and fatigue. 2. Bolstering your immune system. In an increasingly challenging health landscape, a robust immune system is non-negotiable. Green vegetables are absolute champions in this regard. They are rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for the production and function of white blood cells, your body's primary defenders. Many greens also contain folate, vitamin B9, essential for proper immune cell division and repair. Furthermore, the diverse array of phytonutrients acts as powerful immune modulators, ensuring your immune system responds appropriately to threats without becoming overactive. The unique twist. The benefits extend beyond just vitamins. The fiber in greens also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and an astounding 70–80% of your immune system resides in your gut. A healthy gut means a strong immune response. The payoff? Fewer sick days, quicker recovery from illness, and a more resilient defense against infections. 3. Enhancing gut health and digestion. This is where the magic truly unfolds. Green vegetables are brimming with dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber acts as a bulking agent, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, ensuring efficient waste elimination. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which helps to slow down sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar, and critically, acts as a prebiotic. This means it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. A diverse and thriving gut microbiome is linked to everything from improved digestion and nutrient absorption to enhanced mood, robust immunity, and even weight management. When your gut bacteria are happy, They produce beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which nourish gut cells and have anti-inflammatory effects throughout the body. The payoff? Improved digestion, reduced bloating, better nutrient absorption, and a healthier gut-brain connection. 4. Supporting heart health. The cardiovascular benefits of green vegetables are extensive. Their high fiber content helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar, both key for preventing heart disease. Many greens, particularly leafy greens like spinach and kale, are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing blood pressure. They provide ample potassium, an electrolyte that counteracts the effects of sodium, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The multitude of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds directly protect artery walls from damage. The payoff? A healthier, stronger heart, reduced blood pressure, and a significantly lower risk of heart disease and stroke. 5. Bolstering bone health. When we think of bone health, calcium often comes to mind, typically associated with dairy. However, green vegetables are an unsung hero for strong bones, primarily due to their high content of vitamin K and magnesium. Vitamin K1, phylloquinone, abundant in leafy greens like kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli, is essential for the activation of proteins involved in bone mineralization, including osteocalcin, which helps bind calcium to the bone matrix. Magnesium is critical for bone structure and plays a role in activating vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption. Many greens also provide decent amounts of calcium itself, often in a highly absorbable form. The twist: you don't need dairy for strong bones. Green vegetables offer a powerful, plant-based alternative. The payoff? Denser, stronger bones and a reduced risk of osteoporosis and fractures as you age. 6. Enhancing brain function and cognitive health. Nutrients in green vegetables are literal fuel for your brain. Their rich supply of antioxidants protects brain cells from oxidative damage, which is implicated in cognitive decline. The vitamin K in greens has been linked to better memory and cognitive function in older adults. Folate plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis and is essential for optimal brain health. The nitrates in leafy greens can improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery, which directly impacts focus, memory, and overall cognitive performance. The gut-brain axis, supported by the fiber in greens, further enhances this connection. The payoff? Sharper memory, improved focus, and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. 7. Aiding weight management. Green vegetables are a eater's best friend because they are nutrient-dense and calorie-sparse. They offer a high volume of food with very few calories, thanks to their high water and fiber content. This means you can eat a large serving of greens and feel incredibly full and satisfied, without consuming excessive calories. The fiber also aids satiety by slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar, preventing cravings and overeating. The payoff? Easier weight management, sustained fullness, and a diet rich in essential nutrients without the caloric burden. 8. Regulating blood sugar. This is critical for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. The fiber in green vegetables slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar and insulin levels after meals. This improved insulin sensitivity is vital for overall metabolic health. Furthermore, some compounds in greens may directly impact glucose metabolism. The payoff? More stable blood sugar, reduced risk of insulin resistance, and better long-term metabolic health. 9. Supporting detoxification pathways. Your liver is your body's primary detoxification organ. Green vegetables, particularly cruciferous varieties like broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, contain compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds are broken down into active compounds, like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbonyl, that powerfully support the liver's phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathways. They help the liver neutralize and eliminate harmful toxins, carcinogens, and hormones more efficiently. The twist here is that they don't detox you in a mystical sense, but they empower your body's natural detoxification machinery. The payoff? Enhanced liver function, more efficient removal of waste products, and greater protection against environmental toxins. 10. Boosting energy and reducing fatigue. While not providing rapid sugar-based energy, green vegetables contribute to sustained vitality. Their rich supply of B vitamins, especially folate, iron, in some greens like spinach, and magnesium are all crucial for cellular energy production. A body well nourished with these essentials operates more efficiently, leading to reduced fatigue and a more sustained sense of energy throughout the day. The payoff? Less reliance on stimulants, more consistent energy, and a general feeling of vigor. The sheer breadth and depth of benefits offered by green vegetables are truly astonishing. From bolstering immunity and fortifying bones to sharpening the mind and protecting the heart, they are arguably the single most important food group for comprehensive health and longevity. The secret isn't in a single, exotic green, but in the consistent, varied inclusion of these vibrant powerhouses in your daily diet. Aim for a mix of leafy greens, spinach, kale, collards, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and other green favorites, asparagus, green beans. Steam them, sauté them, add them to smoothies, or enjoy them raw in salads. The key is to make them a non-negotiable component of every meal, or at least every day. Are you ready to unlock this unparalleled source of vitality? Stop seeing green vegetables as a chore and start seeing them as the incredible health allies they are. Challenge yourself to include a generous serving of varied greens with at least 2 meals every single day. Your plate is your canvas for health. Paint it green, and watch your body, mind, and spirit flourish.